Hey guys, what is going on? Name's The Walking Dead. We are playing the game called White Noise Online. Now, I've heard from two of my friends that this game is more than pretty. It's really dang scary. It's even more scary if you play it in the dark, which it's not nighttime, but I got the blinds covered up and the lights off, so I guess it counts. And the game actually said that to do that too. And also to, I think, turn up your volume, but I don't want to do that because everyone's asleep. My dad, my brother, my sister, my mother are asleep. I don't want to wake my sister because that would piss my mom off and dad. And if I wake my brother up, then he's just gonna come in here and annoy me 24, I have no idea how long. Alright, anyways, here we go. White Noise Online. I haven't really played it at all, so difficulty. Nightmare. What the? They actually put. Why? Okay, let's pick a random. I have no idea who's better. Seriously, oh, I have to unlock these ones. Crap. Is that the invisible? That is the Invisible Man. I don't want to be that dude. There's the Invisible Woman. And this game's actually. I haven't played this, and so far I already liked it. I want to be the Invisible Man. I'll freak everyone out, be like, yo. Okay, so when my friend said this is like Slenderman, I guess we can pick a which one's better. I'm gonna choose random. Oh my god. Any minute now. So far, this is like Slenderman. Is that tape? Nope, that's just the air. Be aware that this game might have jump scares. Is that camera? Hey camera, wanna take a snapshot of me? Yeah, it looks sexy, and I don't even know what character I am. Hold up. I was just making sure that my character wasn't moving at all. Oh crap. I have a bad feeling about what the heck. Is there any tapes? There's a page. Too bad this isn't Slenderman. Where are the goddamn tapes? I swear to God. Is that tape? No, that was just the. Oh my God. What is this location, anyways? Yeah, I'm pretty dang scared. Yeah, let's go that way. I'm ready for a jump scare. What's that sound? Do I want to go in there? Yeah, I think I do. Is this a jail cell? Is that tape? How do I pick it up? Oh crap, he's coming. I can tell he'll be coming. Oh, that! Okay. Get out of there. 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 Where is he? Whoa. Whoa, 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 where is he? Seeing status on my camera. Well, I don't think this is a camera, but I don't care. This should be on the Teens React to from the Fine Bros. You can hear him. I'm actually looking forward for a jump scare right now. My box. I don't know where to go now. I'm completely lost. There's a sign. Oh! Oh my god. Is he behind me? Oh my god. Where is he? already been through here, but why not? Oh my god, this is not good. I'm in a big as heck room. What the heck is that? Oh, I hear the tape. Where is it though? Hopefully, the dude doesn't bother me. 'Cause I don't even know where the dude is. Oh, there it is. Oh my god. 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 That's been 2 takes in a row. Without dying. Where are you? I wonder what they call him. I should call him Bob. I should call him Bob Marley. No, I should call him... I should call him Really Skinny Man. That's what Slenderman stands for, guys, by the way. If you guys heard me said... If you guys heard me said Really Skinny Man, then yeah. Oh my god, that dude scares me. Please, just leave me alone. I want to be alone. You can take the tapes. I just want to get out of here. What the? My heart is racing right now. Already been that way. Where am I going? They supposed to really be coming after me. Cause this is honestly like Slenderman. Alright, well, that's the time I have. Tune in for the online version. And yeah, bye.